Hello everyone, this is Healthy Options with Maureen. Today we'll continue with our spice series, and today we'll be treating the fennel and the cardamom. I love these two spices a lot because you can use them to make a spice blend that really tastes great, and you can also use them differently. Come with me as we learn about fennel and cardamom. So these are our spices for the day. Here we have the fennel. That's what the fennel looks like. And this is what the cardamom looks like. As you can see, the cardamom comes in pods. Inside these pods, you can find some black minute seeds in them. The good thing about this is when you want to use it, you don't have to bother about getting rid of the pods. Both the pods and the tiny seeds add a great deal of flavor to your cooking. Usually, you just have to toast it up in a pan for a few minutes, about 2 or 3 minutes under low heat. Then you let it cool off before you blend or grind in your spice blender. Cardamom has a spicy, minty, citrusy flavor. This makes it versatile for a lot of dishes. You can use it for curries, you can use it in your potato curry, you can use it for meat curries, and you can use it for meat, you can use it for chicken. It goes very well with a lot of dishes. You can also use it for dessert. Then it's also very good for your spice blend. Any dish that you want to add a bit of heat to or a bit of spice to, you can add cardamom to it. Something like your jollof rice, the Nigerian stews. It goes very well even with pepper soup. I've added it to pepper soup and it tastes really great. So cardamom is really versatile, and like I said, you can actually use it too for sweet dishes. Now we'll be talking about the health benefits of cardamom. Cardamom helps control cholesterol levels. It has anti-cancer properties. It improves the blood circulation in the body. Cardamom also helps to cure digestive problems. Things like bloating. Whenever you have digestive issues, you can actually make things like cardamom tea, and you will find out that it helps a lot with digestive problems. Now onto the fennel. So these are what the fennel seeds looks like. If you remember the last time we talked about cumin, the look of the fennel is very similar to cumin. It's just that it's a little bit greener in color and a little bit larger. That's what our cumin looks like. If you can remember, it's darker, it's smaller, but the fennel looks bigger and greener. The fennel is likely to turn a bit brown once it begins to age, but because it's bigger in size and because its taste is different, you will always be able to differentiate it. The fennel has a mild sweet flavor to it. It's not pungent at all like the cumin, and it's a bit warm but not too spicy. The good thing about fennel is that you can use it for a number of things as well. It goes very well with fish, it goes with chicken. You can actually use this whenever I'm making any pasta dish, something like your spaghetti with your tomato sauce. If you add a bit of fennel to it, it really enriches it a whole lot. So fennel also can be used in things like jollof rice. You can use it to make spice blends. It's actually very mild, but when you add it to dishes, it helps to enrich a dish. Fennel also can be used for desserts. There's this very nice lemon muffins that will be coming up soon. I use fennel to make them. They also pair very well with desserts that have any form of citrus in them, like orange, lemon, lime. Fennel brings out the taste in these desserts. To use the fennel, usually I like to toast them a bit and grind them up. Now onto the health benefits of fennel. It helps remove toxins from the body. It also helps with all your digestive problems like bloating, indigestion, constipation. So fennel is very good for that. Another good thing about fennel is that it helps to reduce asthma symptoms. It improves eyesight because of the presence of the vitamin A in it, and it has anti-cancer properties as well. I hope you do give this a try because they are truly beneficial. Please, if you've not subscribed, don't forget to do so by hitting on the subscribe button. Subscription is totally free. I'd really appreciate it if you can subscribe so I can grow my subscriber base. Thank you.